you. Contestant number 1.
Don't look.
I'm not. I'm looking to the side. Calm down. If I brought you home to see my mom, I don't have a mom.
Pretend you died.
Pretend I had a mom. What do you think that she would think of you for a first impression?
That I am awesome. Because you're not. You want to go?
Is it done, bro?
You have no army. Sit down.
I have an army.
You have a whole right in the corner. This is the corner, guys.
Alright. Contestant number 2.
Contestant number 2. If I gave you some porridge and some cookies.
Two.
Dose. I thought you were American. Why don't you come over here and make me?
I can't. It's against the rules. Anyway,
Let's do that tonight. America's place.
contestant number 2. If I made you my world famous scones, would you eat them?
Put the pause, anything to get into your pants.
She's like, okay.
Contestant number 3. What would you do if I touched your penis?
Thanks, my lady.
Okay.
Thanks, my lady.
Excuse me, bitch. That's a lady.
I'd nicely hit you.
Nicely hit you.
So it would be like
You would nicely hit me?
Don't hit me. Don't touch me.
no, that loser.
Okay, well.
Question for all
A
three.
question. I got this.
Shut up!
I want you all 3 to sing me a nice song.
You gotta ask questions.
Can you all sing me a nice song?
They can answer it, but they can't sing.
Yes, they can.
Okay.
Sing me a song.
You know, the producers don't know.
Mine first.
Yeah.
Suck, suck, suck a dick real quick. Suck, 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 suck a dick real quick.
Okay.
Baby, caught in a bad romance. Roma,
Baby, light up my world
Oh,
like
God.
nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. The way you smile at the
Who the
ground.
fuck smiles at the ground?
Hard to tell, you don't know. You don't know you're
Bunch of hoe.
beautiful. Okay. Now ready? Turn around and see who you got.
But
I don't care.
don't I have to
don't-
choose?
Fine,
The
go
producers know what's best. Just believe us.
ahead.
So I
Go.
just turn around?
No.
No, you have to get up.
You gotta pick.
Alright. I choose.
It's only 3 people.
Okay, you know what?
Uno, dos, or tres, dumbass.
Fine, dry. Come on.
Who is
It's
Can you feel the heat or something? Come on. That's gross.
But you kids picked fast enough. I'm out and I was contestant number 1.
I pick contestant number 2 because they'll eat my scones.
Turn around.
Don't mean they'll enjoy it.
Why are you?
Turn around. This is contestant number 2.
And 3 and 1.
And 3 and 1.
Can I go now?